Today I'm here to share you about a secret, or you can say that a personal information for uh, you can say that in the form of virtual private network VPN that is used to unlock the blog sites such as torrents and other sites. So I'm going to tell you about a VPN that is free for lifetime and it will cost you nothing. All you have to do is you have to go to Chrome and you have to go to the website vpnbook.com. It will open itself for you now. Now go over here and select PPTP and you can see that there is a list of servers: Europe, US or Canada, Germany, France. Now all what the main thing is here is username and a password. So you can see that how am I going to use it in the form of password and username and the form of server. So I'm going to answer all your questions, like go to the settings, and all of mobiles have a VPN. I have already set here a VPN. I'm showing you to connect it. Now I'm pressing connect. So as you see that it has connected, VPN activated. So this is my VPN working and it is already free. So I'm here for you guys and create a new VPN. Write your name as VPN book. VPN type should be PPTP and server address. Server address you can write here euro 217.vpnbook.com and save it. Now when you click here it will ask you username and a password. Now write the username as VPN book and you can select the password here. And there is a note that the password changes every week, so you have to visit the website every week if it is not working. Now I'm going to copy this password and paste it over here and write connect here. So you can see that it is connecting. Yes, it has connected. So I created another VPN in front of you and it is working. Now it can access all the blog sites that the people desire and want to access it, and you can also go to the torrent site that you want to access or that has already been blocked by the